Good morning class. Today we will discuss about second unit, third lesson Sasutra and animal plastic surgeon. So here Sasutra, the ancient, that is the olden days plastic surgeon. What is meant by plastic surgery? If any parts of our face or something is that is infected or something infected or gone with the accident, so we will do the plastic surgery. Nowadays it is becoming very that is popular and all. So here that is here Sasruta is one of the, that is what we will call sage or something, who is living in his home. So one day one traveler came to him and knocked the door. Then the Sasruta go to the that opened the door and go to that stranger and ask what happened. Then the stranger says that is, I have fallen to a bad accident, so I want treatment and all. Then the Sasruta go to him and take him into his home, and that is the Sasruta keep the stranger in a clean room. And here he says that you you sleep on the floor, I will do the treatment. And he offer, that is the Sasruta offer him a mug of wine. So by drinking that wine, he will, that is, he lost his senses and he will sleep. Then after that he that is Kolvadam, he measures the nose of, that is, the stranger nose is cut very badly. So he measure the nose of the patient, and he will get ready for the surgery. So here what he will do is he cut the cheek, that is, he cut the cheek of that stranger, and that is the stranger will shout, but that is when pain will come, will literally say amma or that type. He mounted, but he is drinking wine, no, so that is why that Sasruta gave him a wine, that the pain should be not that much. So here that is he lost his senses. Then he took that cheek part and he cut it into two pieces, and he inserted that flesh, that is the flesh, into the nose. Then he, after some time, he cleaned with the, that is, first he cleaned the whole face with the water and the liquid, and after that he cutted the cheek, and he cutted the cheek into two pieces, and he inserted the flesh into the two holes of the nose. And he, after that, he covered the nose with the cotton also. And after the surgery that is completed, the Sasruta said that Sasruta given some medications, that is the medicines, and what are the do's and don'ts, that is what he should do and what he should not do, and medications he have given and medicines he have given. And he also told that after some times you come to me, I will examine that what is the situation is, and all he had told. And here he is in ancient, that is in the 6th century before Christ only, he is doing that much of that is, he is doing plastic surgery. That is, it is not a small thing. And for his works, he is said as a father of plastic surgery. Generally we don't know about this Sasruta, that is, but now his works came outside and he is called the father of plastic surgery, because he is, that is, more than 101 type of instruments are used by Sasruta to, that is, to treat us only, and that instruments is used by now also. So what are their instruments is dissection forceps, dressing forceps, and all. And they are like bird feather like and crocodile that is mouth like. These all are the instruments of the Sasruta. So here that is 6th century BC. That is in that time only he done the plastic surgery. And Divodasa Dhanavantri, that is he is the sage in the that is he learned this all in the presence of the Divosana Dhanavantari at Varanasi. That is his teacher or something, his head is Divosana Dhanavantari. It is in the Varanasi, and that is his instruments are called Samadamsa Yantras. Samadamsa Yantras. That is his instruments name is Samadamsa Yantras, and that is on that days only used to do the plastic surgery, and without technology and all he done a very good plastic surgery and all. And now that instruments is used by us in now also, and so many doctors or med surgeons that is he is not with us now, but he will take the that is instructions given by that Sasruta, and now that is all are doing their well in the plastic surgery. And the main point, he is also a good physician and also a doctor. That is, physician is also a doctor, and he is a plastic surgeon also doctor and general physician also. So generally Sasutra says to his people that if you want to be a good physician, you should know practically as well as theoretically about the matter or the subject. That is, if practically it is known and theoretically it is not known, it is very tough. And so here it is Sasutra tells to his people that if you want to be a good physician, then you should know practically as well as theoretically. This is the main point said by Sasutra to his people or his students and all. So this is all about this lesson. Sasutra, the great surgeon in the ancient days, what he did and how he invented his instruments on those days only. This all tell in this poem. So this is a small lesson only, but it is somewhat difficult to understand. That is the yantras and all, but it is a good story of a ancient a sage or something. Hope you understand. Thank you.